Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by importing your file and immediately locating the noisy sections. Zoom in so you can see wave peaks and low-level hiss. Once done, set selection handles around only the background noise, not the vocal. Make sure to leave brief gaps to avoid chopping consonants. You choose regions that represent noise consistently. This gives the noise reduction algorithm a clean reference. Now proceed to capture that noise profile for targeted reduction. Next, capture a noise profile from your selected region so Lexis knows what to remove. Once you have the profile, apply the noise reduction effect and tweak reduction amount, sensitivity, and smoothing. Increase reduction in small increments. Too high creates underwater artifacts. Use preview on short clips to judge results and toggle bypass to compare. If vocals thin, reduce sensitivity or lower reduction. Keep adjustments conservative and repeat capture. Finally, fine-tune. Use a parametric EQ to notch out residual hums or razor sibilants left after reduction, then apply light compression and normalize to restore consistent levels. Once satisfied, listen through the entire track to catch intermittent artifacts. If you find them, recapture a new noise profile for that section and reapply. Export at a high bitrate or lossless format. Tip: if removal causes odd artifacts, reduce reduction amount or switch to narrower selection and process in smaller passes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.